Hello student, in this session we want to study that is the next function internal energy. In last lecture we have been studied about the two function heat and the work, both are the path function. Now internal energy. What is mean by internal energy? What are its silent features? Internal energy, that is the sum of all kinds of energy. Sum of all kinds of energy associated with the matter in the system, that is called a internal energy. Sum of all kinds of energy associated with the matter, that is called a internal energy. Of sum of all kinds of energy, that is the potential energy plus kinetic energy, that is called a internal energy. Sum of potential energy and kinetic energy called a internal energy. Potential energy, it is due to the different types of bonding, intermolecular bonding, intramolecular bonding, या फिर nuclear binding energy. Kinetic energy, that is the energy due to the motion. Energy due to the motion. The molecules or atoms shows a different types of motion, that is translational motion, vibrational motion, rotational motion, या फिर motion of electrons around the nucleus, that is called a kinetic energy. This kinetic energy depends on temperature, so it is also called a thermal energy. Potential energy is also called a bonding energy. So what is mean by internal energy? That is again the sum of all kinds of energy associated with the matter in the system, that is called a kinetic, that is called internal energy. Now internal energy, it is an extensive property. Extensive का मतलब its value depends on the quantity of a matter. It depends on the quantity of matter. Now it is a state function. It is a state function. ख्याल में रखने का, that is the internal energy, the state function. इसके पहले देखा अपन heat, it is a path function. W, it is a path function. जैसा अपन ने last video में देखा, in adiabatic process heat transfer क्या आ जाएगा फिर यहाँ पर, there is no heat transfer, so Q equal to 0. अगर the process is carried out isothermally, तो Q is not equal to 0. That is it depends on the path. जैसा वर्क भी देखा अपन ने, पीवी टाइप वर्क अगर देखा आइसोथर्मल इरिवर्सिबल में तो थोड़ा सा कम वर्क होगा. अगर समझो अपन ने आइसोथर्मल रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस में देखा तो मैक्सिमम वर्क इज ऑब्टेन्ड. अगर अपन ने वैक्यूम में देखा तो वैक्यूम में नो वर्क, W equal to 0. So it depends upon the path followed by the system. So Q and W, these are the path function. लेकिन अब यहाँ पर इंटरनल एनर्जी द स्टेट फंक्शन, तो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे अपन आगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ U कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइन. व्हाट आर द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी प्रेजेंट इन अ सिस्टम, या फिर व्हाट आर द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी प्रेजेंट इन आवर बॉडी, वी कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइन एब्सोल्युटली, बट द चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. The change in internal energy can be calculated by using formula final minus initial. Now in cyclic process, that is the system undergo number of operation and again back returns to its initial state. So in cyclic process U1 equal to U2, तो ख्याल में रखने का डेल्टा U change in internal energy is 0. उसके बाद में इन आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस, तो लास्ट वीडियो में देखा अपन ने आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस, दैट इज द सिस्टम कैन एक्सचेंज हीट विद द सराउंडिंग सो दैट द टेम्परेचर रिमेन कांस्टेंट, एंड इंटरनल एनर्जी द फंक्शन ऑफ टेम्परेचर. सो इन आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस डेल्टा U इक्वल टू 0. ख्याल में रखने का, इन साइक्लिक प्रोसेस डेल्टा इक्वल टू 0, आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस में भी change in internal energy 0. तो ये हो गया about cyclic process and isothermal process. If the process is carried out at a constant volume, then the amount of heat is evolved or absorbed at a constant volume is determined in terms of a change in internal energy. Amount of heat is evolved or absorbed at a constant volume is nothing but the change in internal energy, या फिर the process is carried out in a closed vessel is measured in terms of a change in internal energy, that is the amount of heat is evolved or absorbed in a closed vessel is measured in terms of a change in internal energy. For 1 mole of a gas, internal energy equal to 3/2 RT, U equal to 3/2 RT. और उसके बाद में the apparatus which is used for the determination of a measurement of a internal energy, it is called a bomb calorimeter. It is called bomb calorimeter. In order to measure the internal energy, the apparatus is used, it is called a bomb calorimeter. तो ये होगा अबाउट द इंटरनल एनर्जी. तो इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ख्याल में रखने का, इंटरनल एनर्जी इज अ स्टेट फंक्शन. तो 2 मार्क के लिए अपने स्टेट बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. एक्सप्लेन द इंटरनल एनर्जी इज अ स्टेट फंक्शन. अब इसको प्रूव करेंगे अपन. इंटरनल एनर्जी इज अ स्टेट फंक्शन. स्टेट फंक्शन का मतलब इट डिपेंड्स ऑन इनिशियल एंड final state and not on the path followed by the system, that is called a state function. Suppose a graph is plotted, pressure against the volume, and suppose system going from A to B by using path 1. Suppose the system going from A to B by using path 1, the change in internal energy delta U. Now consider a cyclic process. The system going from B to A by using another path 2, where the change in internal energy suppose delta U dash. तो ख्याल में रखने का, suppose system going from A to B by using path 1, the change in internal energy suppose delta U. Now consider a cyclic process in which system going from B to A by using another path 2, where the change in internal energy delta U dash. Now suppose delta U is greater than delta U dash. Suppose delta U is greater than delta U dash, then what happen? That is the somewhat amount of energy created. Somewhat amount of energy is created. Now continuous repetition of this process, large amount of energy is created. But according to the first law of thermodynamics, energy neither be created nor be destroyed, या फिर the total energy of isolated system remain constant. So it is not true. Now suppose consider reverse. Suppose delta U dash is greater than delta U. Then what happen? Somewhat amount of energy is consumed. Somewhat amount of energy is destroyed. Again continuous repetition of this process, large amount of energy is destroyed. Again according to the first law, energy neither be created nor be destroyed, या फिर total energy of isolated system remain constant. इसका मतलब delta U equal to delta U dash, these two are in a same magnitude but opposite in sign. As delta U is a state function, internal energy also state function. ये होगा proof. That is, the internal energy depends on initial and final state and not on the path followed by the system. Clear?